So we are happy and we welcome you both in the office of Kongrestar here and in Kurdistan.
لروجاوای کوردستانی ده البته شورشکی دست پی بو و ایمان دبیجن شورش دی پیشگیار جنده اف شورش ها لپیش کد و دست کد دی دست خستن مثلا تشتیق آلی ریده بریده ام خبری بدبن مثلا جن ایدی سیستمی ما سیستمی کی جن و میر هبدوره ریده بریده بین افسر وکایتینه يعني كم دكارم بيجن دروجاوای كردستاني دت أنا دمان زرفاده working with the documentary team.
نبي وين كتاي أو بخوجي أستراليا فندنا هو مجال سياسي فندي وتابعت سر تكوشنا كلنا.
I am from Sydney, Australia. I came here I think 2 days ago, so not long ago at all. And my goal to come here is to learn more about the Kurdish people and especially the Kurdish women's movement, and then I can take that home and share it with my friends and with family and the other people in Australia so they can too learn about the Kurdish women's movement, and hopefully we can have positive change in Australia like you have made here. Today I think the most interesting thing for me to learn was about the links between women and ecology. I think this is important for Australia because these two things are separated in the political atmosphere in Australia, so I think it's good to link the environment with the women's movement. I think this is important, and I think as well when we're learning about the women's safe houses here, we also have lots of problems with domestic violence in Australia, so learning about how you guys have been dealing with this and solving these issues, I think is important for Australia, and I will share your strategies back home. The women's struggle is important all around the world, and I think at the moment the most important thing to do is to be unified with all of our sisters around the world, and we need to maintain the struggle together, and we can learn from the Kurdish women about the importance of unity and perseverance throughout any situation, and we can we can make sure we stay united across the world. I think although I've only been here for a very short time, I'm very impressed by how engaged the women are here in the political struggle. I think maybe in Australia we need to get involved a little bit more and be as strong as the Kurdish women. It's very impressive to me, and I think it's amazing the work that you've been doing before the revolution, and you've continued it today. Despite everything, and I can sense that that you are very passionate, the Kurdish women are passionate, and I can see that they will continue to fight forever, and I think that is incredible.